nobody. My son was off for 1 week. He was at home, so I'm going with him for a lunch. Also, one more thing, guys. I want to tell you that you guys are in a race. Yes, somebody is challenging us on our channel. They are running faster than our channel. So you guys need to beat the other channel, and you guys need to get ahead of that channel. When I come back from my lunch, I will tell you who is in race with us. So keep tuned, don't go anywhere. I'll be back soon. Right guys, I'm here in this restaurant. It is called Haveli, and you guys should come here and taste their food. So delicious. Sorry guys, this is not Haveli, this is Kabul restaurant from Afghanistan. When you come into the lift, just keep holding, okay, wherever you want to go, and the lift will not stop anywhere in between. Keep holding. Hey, you've come before me. How could that be possible? Where's our car? That's it. That's what I needed for today. Let's go. Let's go. What's up, guys? We are back home. There was so much of traffic. Bloody, I don't know why. Maybe because of the Easter, people are doing shopping. And also, I have purchased some raffle tickets from my workplace. And the raffle is, I think, on Friday. So fingers crossed, hopefully I will win something. And I will let you know if I win something. The other thing I was talking about, guys, I have 2 channels, RK Vlogs and RK Gupshup. So the people who are in race with you are from RK Gupshup. I will show you how fast they are running. Every day 5 or 6 people are subscribing my channel, and RK Vlog is on 311. However, the RK Gupshup is running very fast and they are trying to beat you guys. Now, since you guys are aware that I'm not a regular vlogger, I upload my clips every often now and then. So if you love to see me, you just need to click on subscribe. Next to it will be a bell icon. Click on it and you will be notified. This is what I was talking about, that there are 2 channels in race. So RK Gupshup is trying to defeat you guys, RK Vlogs. RK Vlogs, you have to keep ahead. RK Vlogs, you have to keep ahead. RK Vlogs, you have to keep ahead. So keep subscribing, keep watching, and hope to see you soon in my next clip. Till next time, you take a good care of yourself. Bye-bye. Just a quick update, guys. The draw took place today and I did not win anything.